Welcome to this live demo of the HawkSight AI trading robot, where I'll showcase its incredible performance over the past month, from October 1st to November 1st, 2024. During this period, the robot achieved a profit of over 10%, and we successfully used it to pass an FTMO prop firm challenge. Let's talk about what makes HawkSight AI so powerful. First, the robot demonstrated great entry precision throughout the month. It's designed to analyze the market and only execute trades when all conditions align perfectly. For example, during high volatility periods, it consistently entered trades at key levels, maximizing opportunities while minimizing risks. Now, what really sets HawkSight apart is its exceptional risk management capabilities. One of its standout features is how it moves the stop loss to break even as soon as a trade reaches a sufficient profit. This means that once the trade is in your favor, you're effectively playing with house money. Your risk is completely eliminated. This feature protected us during potential reversals and ensured our capital stayed safe at all times. Another strength of this robot is its controlled risk-to-reward ratio. Even in periods of market uncertainty, HawkSight AI adhered to disciplined risk management. The trades had minimal drawdowns, which is critical for passing challenges like FTMO. Every trade was calculated and executed with precision, ensuring consistency over time. The result? A 10% plus profit in 1 month, all while staying within the strict risk parameters required for prop trading. HawkSight AI isn't just about profits. It's about combining safety, strategy, and consistency to give you the edge in the market. If you're a trader looking to level up and achieve consistent results, or if you've been struggling with passing prop firm challenges, HawkSight AI is your solution. It simplifies trading, minimizes risk, and delivers results. Join the growing community of traders using HawkSight AI and experience the power of a robot designed to help you succeed. Start your journey today